If you're a gardener, you will know that sometimes tools can be left lying around and in a mess. I'm going to show you how to make a garden tool storage rack that will solve your problem. All you need is a piece of timber and a piece of ply. Both of these you can have cut to size at our local Bunnings. We take our piece of ply and we measure and mark 3 cutouts along the length of it. These are going to have the same width, but they are going to be at various distances along the piece of ply to suit the size of your tools. Now clamp down your ply and use your jigsaw to do your cutouts. We cut out 2 straight lines first. The next thing we're going to do, we arc our jigsaw and we cut the top line. We finish off our cutouts with a bit of sandpaper to take away any rough edges. This timber batten will allow us to attach it to the plywood and also to the fence or the wall as our final fixture. So what I'm going to do is to pre-drill and countersink the holes for the screws to go in to attach the unit to the wall. Apply some glue to your plywood, flip it over and attach it to the batten, and then screw it all together. It's all done. I'm just going to put 2 hooks on the end. That's just to hang your raincoat and gloves or whatever you choose to. I'm also going to give it a lick of paint just so it can last a bit longer. Doesn't this garden tool storage rack look amazing? It's neatened our garden tools up and I reckon it looks absolutely awesome. So simple yet so effective.
Check out the Bunnings website for step-by-step instructions and all the tools and materials you need. Or you can keep on watching for more DIY projects and ideas.